Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm so excited today to finally get my hands on one of my most favorite headphones that I've used so far, which were the WF-1000XM4s. So I've got finally the Sony WF-1000XM5s. So these are the Mark 5s. And now the thing that is really special about this is I haven't opened this. As you can see, it's just arrived, and this is a refurbished model. So it's sold by Sony itself in Australia, and it's Sony Australia refurbished. So I really wanted to have a look at it and explore what it looks like, unbox it and see what the experience is like. Because if you guys have been at this channel for a while, I've done a few refurbished models as well, especially with Apple. Their refurbished is nearly as new, you know. The only thing that tells the difference is outside the box it says refurbished. That's it. It is basically brand new. They polish it and everything like that. So let's see if Sony does that. So it comes first of all in this little box. Nothing too special, and it's certainly not protected, as you can hear it. Now when while I'm getting this opened, I would like to add to you guys that this channel completely survives on your subscription. I fund everything myself, so from buying this to everything you see on channel, I don't have any sponsors or anything like that to make my review biased. If I do ever get sponsors, it will be like somebody just sponsoring the video, not the actual sending me the thing to sponsor. And I don't have any affiliations. I'm a social worker, so I don't deal with this stuff. So here we go. All right, let's get this opened. Immediately you will see that there's a lot of stuff stuck on it. It comes with this little thing. Now I believe the B over here, WF-1000XM5B, that denotes it's refurbished. So just, I have no idea, but that's the thing. It looks quite ugly compared to the normal box that you get with unboxing it, so it's destroying it. So just to give you a bit of a side by side, so this is the Sony itself with the refurbished one, and this is the Mark 4s in the box. And see how that is a bit different, and there's a lot of barcodes and serial number on here and things like that, and this is just going to completely wreck it. But here we go. So I was saying I just do everything myself, so if you appreciate that, watch more videos, subscribe, it'll really help me out. Okay, so we need to rip these apart as well because they're actually holding it shut. So let's open this up as well. So it wrecks the 1000 Series X Mark as well, and there's two of them. Caution, there's a battery inside. Okay. So already, so these are, I think now, over 2 years old. So see the difference already in the care that's gone into it. So this is quite rough already, and this is perfect. Okay, let's get this bad boy opened up. Additional instructions. So I do not think you get this. So these are the additional instructions for it. With the normal one, so you'll have a wrap. It looks quite damaged as well for my luck. So look at that. Or I'm hoping it's just dirty, which is really sad to see, because that's not too impressive at all. So that's the box. Let's have another look in the box later. Let's open this up. So you get the small, large and extra large tips, extra small I mean, and they look quite used as well. What do you think, guys? Comment below. Was this a bit disappointing? The wire looks used as well. So it's refurbished. It's not even cleaned properly, so that's quite disappointing. And this is the booklet. It's opened. That's fine. That's refurbished. That's fine. I don't mind it at all. But this is a bit disappointing. It could have used a clean, And let's give this an open up. Let's get these bad boys out of the way. Okay. Yeah, inside looks not too shabby at all. Let's look at the earbuds themselves. Are these damaged? Is this damaged? Okay, comment below if that's a damage. That's the left earbud. I've never had the pleasure of holding the MX5s, so this looks a bit damaged, you know, and the tips aren't new as well, which is kind of gross, especially in the box. So it's a bit disappointing, isn't it? Anyways, I'll give these guys a clean and then I'll be reviewing them and seeing how I go. So all up, a bit disappointing. The refurbished for Sony isn't that good as Apple's. Apple's is just perfect, next to perfect, and you get basically brand new stuff there. It's cleaned, and this is just horrible. But that's basically the unboxing and walkthrough. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys liked it, and that's basically it from me. Thank you for watching. Take good care. Bye bye.